In this video, I'm going to review the performance of the trade alert that we sent for Google Options. It was sent as part of our option trade alerts service that we offer here at Stock Market Guides. On this page, I'm looking at the performance of a variety of our recent option trade alerts, and it's been a tough market condition recently. There's been a lot of volatility. You can see there's kind of a mixed bag of results here. But let's look at these Google options here. You can see this one turned out quite well. And I'm just going to show you what exactly you were looking at if you had been sent this trade alert. So the trade alert itself was sent on April the 19th, midday. And so this right here, this is April the 19th. You can see my mouse is over this bar. This is a daily chart where each price bar represents one day of price activity. So the trade alert was sent at some point along this day, and it called for the position to be held until April the 26th. And you can see this right here. This is April the 26th. And so you can see, obviously, this one turned out to be fantastic because if an entry had been made right here, right, in short order after we posted the trade alert, you can see what sort of an outcome that had, and you can kind of understand why it was such a big return on the option because I mean it just shot up. Now there's more to this, and there's certainly some risk involved with this particular trade. There's always risk involved in the stock market for one, but with options trading, options are leveraged. And so the return on your investment will be amplified for better or worse. And so that's a type of risk involved. But in addition to all that, there's also the fact that Google was set to announce earnings during the period that the trade was to be held for. And so this one had an extra dimension of risk. So it turned out in our favor. And when we post these trade alerts, we're looking at all of history and considering all the information that we have when we post these trade alerts. So it's basically this technology that we've developed that scans for these opportunities, and it automatically calculates how has this setup performed historically according to our backtesting process. And so this one came up on the radar. We sent a trade alert for it, but it did come with this extra earnings risk. It paid off this time. And so basically when you take that extra risk, it means the potential reward is also higher. You dial up the risk, and ideally you have a commensurate or higher amount of potential reward that goes along with it. So in this case it paid off, but it did come with risk. But it is an example of one of our recent successes. When Google announced earnings this particular day, it lifted up the whole market. And so it was nice that we had sent a trade alert that was able to capitalize and benefit from that jump in Google's price. If you have any questions about our trade alerts or just our service in general here at Stock Market Guides, you can contact us anytime. Our email address is support@stockmarketguides.com.